I'll come in, get a workout in after not working out or whatever, and then I'll feel like a total turd. I'll feel like I can't work out. I feel like I'm out of shape. I feel fat. I feel blah, 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 whatever. So, fun fact about today. This is the first time I had worked out in over a week because I'm dumb. So last week I did nothing. Week before that, I did 5 days of really good workouts, felt really good, felt like I was making some progress, and then I fell off. And then I didn't work out for a week. The week got away from me. I didn't make it a priority. I had work to do. I had things I wanted to get done. So I focused on those things, got stuff done around the house, got stuff done in my garden, got stuff done, but just didn't get in the gym and get that done. And next thing I know, it's a Monday again, and I got to start over. And so today I did a workout. It wasn't hard, it wasn't difficult, but I knew that I was going to be tired. I knew that I wasn't going to be able to go all in because I had just taken a week off like a dummy. And so came back into it today, did some deadlift. Didn't go heavy, didn't push myself too hard on the deadlift. Worked up to 185 pounds for sets of 5, which, whatever, wasn't super heavy. So no big deal. Then did a quick little Metcon of 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, run, plank, and then jump rope. Easy movements, wanted to get my heart rate up, wanted to get a sweat going, wanted to breathe a little heavy, but didn't want to feel like a total turd. So built in that 30 seconds rest in between. And I feel good right now. Like I feel like that workout was right on par with where I'm at for today and where I wanted to be. And the thing that I take away from this is that you don't always have to go balls to the walls every workout. You don't always have to push yourself to failure. You don't always have to push yourself to make yourself feel terrible and then get discouraged. Because that's been my thing is I'll come in, get a workout in after not working out or whatever, and then I'll feel like a total turd. I'll feel like I can't work out. I feel like I'm out of shape. I feel fat. I feel blah, 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 whatever excuse you want to make. But scale your workout. Today I scaled it. I scaled it big time. I didn't even have a workout. I just came up with something to work out and it was fine. It was a good workout. I'm sweating. Might be because it's 80 degrees and I'm in a hot gym and I got a sweatshirt on, but I got a good sweat going. I feel really good about it. It was really only 7.5 minutes of work because I did 5 rounds of three movements for 30 seconds each. So it wasn't a ton of work, but I felt good afterwards. Give yourself some grace to get back in the gym and get after it. Because any progress is progress. Doing nothing ain't gonna get you nowhere. But doing something is a step in the right direction. Hope this helps.